Hey, wonderful parents. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Let me start with a question that might surprise you. Can your child learn to speak fluent Putonghua without ever learning a single Chinese character, memorizing Pinyin, or studying grammar rules? The answer is a definite yes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. First, let's watch this short, fun animation together.
走走走，走到门前，开开开，开门开门。走走走，走到门前，开开开，开门开门。走走走，走到门前，开开开，开门开门。
走到门前，开门。
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 Did you see that? It's simple, but powerful. Even if your child doesn't know any Chinese, they can understand what's happening just from the visuals. And after watching it a few times, their brain naturally connects the sounds to the actions. Soon, they can even say it. That's the magic of learning through comprehensible input. The animation is designed for children to acquire language naturally, the same way they learned their first language. This method is called acquisition, which is completely different from memorization. Think about how a baby learns. They don't use flashcards or textbooks. They learn through context, repetition, rhythm, and clear visuals. There's no pressure to memorize and no stress about getting it wrong. Your child simply watches, listens, and starts to speak when they feel ready. And the best part? No English translation is needed. The meaning is 100% clear from the animation itself. This builds a direct connection to the language right from the start. After just a few viewings, you will be amazed to hear your child start saying things like,
走到门前，开门。
and they'll be saying it with confidence and joy because they truly understand what it means. So, parents, if you've ever wanted your child to learn Putonghua but felt overwhelmed thinking, isn't it too hard? Don't we need an expensive tutor or a pile of textbooks? I'm here to tell you, you don't. You don't need complex tools. You just need the right kind of input delivered in the right way. That's exactly what these learning animations provide. So here's a fun experiment for you. Play this animation for your child a few times this week. Make it a game. Let them sing, move, and repeat along with it. You'll be giving them the incredible gift of language in the most natural and joyful way possible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our full playlist of Putonghua learning animations right here. Let's raise confident little global citizens, one word at a time. See you in the next video.